This is a 2010 Toyota Sequoia. It has a 5.7-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: adaptive cruise control, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, leather seats, side curtain airbags, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, full power accessories, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.